Hi, hello, welcome back. I'm sick. Welcome back to 2020. It is the year 2020 and I have bronchitis. I'm drinking tea. Cheers. So today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about meal planning, which is about meal prepping, but meal prepping really has like a healthy connotation. I'm talking more of like how to plan your meals so that you don't overbuy and that you stay in budget. I really don't have like a set budget for food. I really should. But I sometimes end up spending like $200 in a week and it's just two people. So I'm trying to get better at that, and I'm trying to kind of really narrow down as to what I need to buy. So that is what I am here for today. There's different steps to do so. So step one is you're gonna want to write kind of like what you're looking for to do during your week. And I determined that based on my pantry. So I take a look at my pantry and see what I have, and then determine what I can use up in my pantry that I already have in order to create these meals for the week. So breakfast, I usually just have eggs, so I always end up buying eggs. And then lunches, this time I went to Costco and bought some chicken bowls. So I already have breakfast and lunch covered. I'm just gonna be meal planning for the dinners throughout the week. So I usually just write it down like on a sheet of paper, but I just recently found Budget Mom has these weekly meal planning worksheets, which I am kind of obsessed with. I'm gonna show you guys how I fill them out, just so you guys can kind of take a look and see if that's how you want to fill yours out. But again, you want to make sure that you write down what you want to do. I'm going to just pre-fill breakfast and lunch since I already know what I'm going to have. And then we'll go downstairs, look at the pantry and see what we can do for dinners. So today is Sunday and we already had sausage, muffins. For dinner, I know we're gonna have some pho because I'm sick. And for lunch, maybe a croissant. So based on this, I already know some of the stuff that I need to buy. I already have eggs and bell pepper, but I do need some deli turkey. And then I also need some turkey sausage. And I already have sweet potato, so we're good on that. And then for lunches, of course, I'm gonna have chicken bowl with salad. Red salad, perfect. And then Saturdays we usually kind of like either go out to eat or eat something. I'm probably gonna make chilaquiles this day. So for that I need tortillas. Okay, cool. So my snacks, Monday through Friday, I'm going to have hard-boiled egg and carrots with hummus. I already have hummus, I already bought that, so carrots. Wait, produce? Oh my god, I put this in the wrong one. All right, it looks a little messy, but it's fine. You're kind of like brainstorming to see what you want to do. So that's gonna be pretty much my snack throughout the days. Every day I'm gonna take 2 hard-boiled eggs. Cool, so knowing that I have most of the stuff, now I just have to think of dinners. So let's go downstairs and see what we have in our pantry. All right, my pantry is a little messy, but kind of take a look and see what we have. We have some rice, which that's regular, just white rice. Mashed potatoes from Sprouts. I bought that for dinner last week, but I didn't end up using it. We have beans. We have some this one's empty. We have some crackers too. Nuts. We have more nuts here. So that might be something that we could use for snacks. This might be a good thing for snacks. All right, here I usually keep my grains. So I do have some brown rice, so I can definitely use that. And I have some red lentil rotini, and I have some spring rolls. Oh, I also have couscous, which I love couscous. I have a lot of rice, so definitely gonna incorporate some rice into my meals. This is for Ryan's lunches. He usually eats sandwiches for lunch. Ooh, I have some chicken broth, so I might be able to use some of that. Let's see what we have over here. This is the area where I usually stockpile and I don't really use them. Okay, so we have some pasta sauce. We have a lot of garbanzo beans. Okay. What else? Sauces, more garbanzo beans, corn. Let's see, down here we have some mole. Okay, this is just snacks in here. Like, that's snacks and snacks down here too. Here, coconut flour. Here's all my baking stuff, so that doesn't really count. And then we have my pita chips and the veggie straws for Ryan. So let's move on to the fridge. Okay, the fridge is kind of empty, but I do have some eggs for the week, my hummus, butter. I have some ground beef there that I think I might have to cook today. Ooh, I do have some steak, some sausages. I have a pot roast. Ooh, that I haven't done. Ooh, there we go. I have a pot roast that I haven't done, so I might have to do that. This is Ryan's breakfast. I have some frozen veggies. And these are the bowls that I bought for my lunches. Okay, so now that I know what is in my pantry and what I need to get rid of, now I kind of write down my weekly meals that I think I can use with stuff that I have in the pantry. So definitely had a lot of garbanzo beans. I can make falafels. That's very easy to make. And with that I need pita bread. So with pita, I also have some steaks. So I think the steaks we should do on Friday. And then with the mashed potatoes that I had. Tuesdays we try to do Taco Tuesdays, so I'm going to buy some chicken to shred and make chicken tacos. So we'll do that on Tuesday. Chicken tacos, and I'll make some rice with that too. And maybe beans, since I have so many beans. For Wednesday, let's see, I need Wednesday and Thursday. I had the pot roast. Do I want to make a pot roast? I can probably leave it on the... Let's try that. I'm gonna do a crock pot meal and do like a pot roast with veggies. And rice, because I have a lot of rice I need to get rid of. So we'll do a rice dish. On Thursday, what else did I have? I have some ground beef, but I think I'm gonna cook that up today. Just because I need to cook that meat. It's been out of the freezer for a day, so I have to cook that out today. Let's see, what could I do on Thursday? Pasta. I had pasta sauce and I had pasta. So definitely some kind of pasta dish. Oh, I could even do the pasta with the ground beef, to be honest. I should probably do that today and take it for lunch tomorrow. I'm trying to think of, maybe I need to look up a recipe to do on Thursday, so I'll pen for that. The next step is going to be looking at everything you're making, looking at recipes. If you already know the recipe, just write down what you need for each item. This is looking pretty messy on my end. But because that's how I meal plan, like I just think, what do I have? What can I do? And then I kind of just do it that way. So that is pretty much the last step, is going to be looking up recipes. So let's go ahead and do that. So I saw that we actually had some lasagna noodles. So I think on Thursday I might make some lasagna. So let me find quickly a recipe to see there's anything that I can make. Lasagna. I usually look for like the best ratings. So world's best lasagna. Let's see that. So sweet Italian sausage. We actually have Italian sausage. Ground beef, onion, garlic, tomatoes. We have crushed tomatoes. Yes. We have tomato paste, 2 cans of canned. You know what? This is for 12 servings. I don't need 12 servings. It's just going to be for 2. So 2. Adjust. Perfect. So 2 ounces. Okay. 1 tablespoon of water. Perfect. White sugar, dry, I have everything, I think, except for fennel seeds. And fresh parsley, which I also need for the, falafels. So, Thursday, we're gonna do lasagna. Make sure you write down the measurements because it's gonna be easier to shop for it. Once you have the measurements, that way you don't overbuy, because again, we're trying to minimize how much you buy. We don't want to buy a lot of something. So let's keep going. Falafel recipes. There we go. The best? Do we want the best? So this is gimmesomeoven.com. So this is chickpeas. I have cilantro and parsley. Garlic we have, onion we have, flour we have, oil we have, baking powder we have, black pepper, yep, everything else. And lemon juice. I have everything else. Alright, so now the rest of the stuff I'm just going to write down. So of course I need pita as well. Pita. Chicken tacos. I already put chicken. I need tortillas. Rice and beans I have. Pot roast. I already have the roast. I just need veggies. So I'm going to put... for carrots, I'm going to put baby and normal. And rice we have. Lasagna, I already put the stuff that we need. And steak with mashed potatoes, we already have. So really, my grocery list is fairly small. It's just these items here that I have to buy. And then my husband, he needs deli turkey, which we already have. And we need some sandwich slices, cheese slices, sandwich cheese. Perfect. This looks very, very good. It looks very easy. So, final tips. Step 1 is to print a meal plan and make sure you have something like this. I got this from the Budget Mom. You just go to her website, sign up for it, and you get free printables. So that's where I got this one. Step 2 is you're going to write stuff down that you already know you're gonna eat. For example, mine was the eggs. So I have eggs every morning, and I either have them with sweet potatoes, with turkey. It just depends what I want them with. Step 3 is take a trip to your pantry. If you want to get rid of stuff in your pantry that you've had there forever, take a trip there and determine what you have in stock and what you can use. Step 4, you're going to write down meals that you can make with the stuff in your pantry. Just write them down, think of ideas, and kind of say, okay, I have this, this, and this. I probably can make lasagna. Like me, I had lasagna noodles, I had pasta sauce, I have everything else except for the ground beef, and I had turkey sausage. So that was actually perfect. Step 5 is look at recipes. If you have certain ingredients and you don't know what to make, look up recipes, and that way you can try new things as well. So that is the video for today. I hope you guys liked it. Happy 2020. I hope to see you guys more often here. I am going to upload at least once a month. I do have other projects. I do a bi-weekly live on Facebook, so you guys can check that out. Follow me on Instagram. I'm at AskAngieD, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.